ngozi n'etiti Igboro niile, ọ jazi ngozi nwafọ gị Jesu. Maria dị asọ.
Okay, guys, good afternoon, good evening, good morning, wherever you're watching from. Please like, subscribe, and share. Right, hit the subscribe button right here. You rock. Yeah.
Ijupụtara na Gracia, Osebruwa nọnyere ịdị ngọzi n'etiti Igboro niile, ọ jazi ngọzi nwafọ gị Jesu. Maria dị asọ, nne nke Chukwu, rịọbara ego ndị nje arịrịọ, kịta na ọnwụ anyị. Ọ dị n'etiti na kịta na mgbe niile n'ụwa ebe. Amen. Ka mkpụrụ obi ndị niile kwerenụ gara aga, site n'ekpere nke Chukwu ka ha dị ike na ndokwa. Ka mkpụrụ obi fazuru ike na ndokwa. Amen.
Onye nwe anyị nọnyere ụnụ, ka Chineke ji ike niile gọzie ụnụ, Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ.
Amen.
Good evening and welcome to EBEONADI, the 103.5 FM News Update. Today, Tuesday, the 3rd day of December 2024, and the time is 4 minutes past the hour of 6. Martin Efanshuku Ekeze is my name. The headlines. Governor Mba hails Okonjo-Iweala on her appointment as a World Trade Organization DG. Oti explains Abia government's role in Abia International Trade Fair. Ebonyi governor issues 72-hour ultimatum to striking workers. Ex-Imo commissioner sues police for illegal arrest detention. Nigeria versus Ghana. Iguavon names a 44-year-old star in 30-man Super Eagles squad for Shan clash. In pardoning his son's Hunter, Joe Biden echoes some of Donald Trump's complaints. Now, details. Governor Mba hails Okonjo-Iweala on her appointment as World Trade Organization Director General. Governor of Enugu State, Dr. Peter Mba, has congratulated Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala on her reappointment as the Director General of the World Trade Organization. Mba, however, said that the development did not come to him as a surprise, given her great leadership of the organization so far in her first term. A statement released by the Senior Special Assistant to Governor on Media, External Relations, Uche Anichukwu, at the weekend quoted Mba as saying, on behalf of the government and the people of Enugu State, I congratulate you on your reappointment, which is a testimony to your exceptional leadership of the organization in your first term. You remain one of Nigeria's greatest exports to the world, and your experience, deep knowledge, and global goodwill have no doubt counted greatly in repositioning the World Trade Organization towards achieving its goals and mandate. We can only urge you to keep excelling and keep making us proud, the governor said. Oti explains Abia government's role in Aba International Trade Fair. Governor Alex Oti has explained the reasons for the Abia State government's involvement in the Aba International Trade Fair, which began on November 28 at the Aba Mega Mall. Speaking during the official opening of the trade fair, Oti said one of the primary reasons for the government's involvement was to announce the return of Aba as a major industrial and commercial hub in the West African sub-region. The governor added that the state's active participation in the trade fair highlighted Aba's significant contribution to the country's economic goals, such as economic diversification, job creation, and boosting national outputs. He noted that significant efforts had been made to restore Aba's former glory through investments in infrastructure, security, waste management, social reorientation, and stakeholder engagement. The governor welcomed both local and foreign businesses participating in the trade fair and expressed gratitude for their involvement, assuring them of the state's commitment to making their experience a success. Ebonyi governor issues 72-hour ultimatum to striking workers. Francis Winfrey, the executive governor of Ebonyi State, has issued a 72-hour ultimatum to workers who had embarked on an industrial action in the state. The workers, in a move to drive home their demand on the implementation of the minimum wage, had embarked on strike on the order of the Nigerian Labour Congress. However, speaking in his office in Abakaliki, Winfrey frowned at the development. He stated that the National Assembly did not pass the bill for new salary increment above for minimum wage. He also said that the state government would not fold its hands and allow personal interest to override public interest, stating that his administration had also started paying the new minimum wage in October. Winfrey said he was surprised when he read in the newspapers that NLC had embarked on an industrial action. Again, let me make it known now that I am not owing any worker in the state any monthly salary, pension, and gratuity. And if you did not go to work and chose to stay at home in the name of strike, I will replace you within 72 hours. So I'm giving you 72 hours to return to duty or I'll sack you, Winfrey said. Ex-Imo commissioner sues police for illegal arrest, detention. A former commissioner in Imo State, Dr. Fabian Ihekweme, has filed a 5 million naira lawsuit against the Nigerian police force before a federal high court in Abuja over alleged gross violations of his fundamental human rights. In the suit marked suit number FHC ABI CS 1809/2024, the plaintiff seeks an order of a perpetual injunction restraining the police from further arrest, detention, intimidation, assault, and harassment over frivolous and unsubstantiated allegations concerning his fundamental rights to freedom of expression. He is seeking a declaration that his arrest on November 28 in Abuja in a justifiable manner by the police in Imo State constitutes an infringement of his fundamental human rights, and his continuous detention by the police amounts to a violation of his fundamental human rights. An affidavit of urgency deposed by the wife of the plaintiff, Mrs. Ihekweme Excel Fabian, said the plaintiff is managing a severe health condition and his continuous detention without access to Medicare will worsen his health condition and endanger his life. Nigeria vs Ghana. Iguavon names 44-year-old star in 30-man Super Eagles squad for CHAN clash. Super Eagles B interim coach Augustine Iguavon has invited a 30 home-based players to camp ahead of Nigeria's 2024 African Nations Championship qualifiers against ACAF rivals Ghana. Among the notable call-ups is veteran Kanu Pillars midfielder Rabiu Ali, who is returning to the national team fold at age 44. Ali has been in scintillating form, netting 8 goals in the ongoing 2024-2025 Nigerian Premier Football League season. The squad also features the Nigerian Premier League top scorer Anas Yusuf, Remo Stars goalkeeper Kayode Bankole, Rivers United defender Stephen Mayo, and Abia Warriors forward Sunday Mewo. Enyimba's Henry Ozemena and the Enugu Rangers midfielder Mastro Kazim Oguleye also earned the spot in the team. Nasarawa United's Victor Collins, who was a part of Nigeria's squad for last month's AFCON qualifiers, adds further experience to the group. Players will converge at the Remo Stars Stadium in Ikene on Wednesday, 4th December to begin the preparations. The first leg is set for Sunday, 22nd December in Accra, with the return leg scheduled for Saturday, 28th December at the Gospel Akpabio Stadium in Uyo. You are listening to news updates on Ebona, the 103.5 FM. Now we move over to the foreign scene. In pardoning his son Hunter